Okay, so we need to find the lateral surface area and the volume of this shape. And the lateral surface area, if you know the radius of the shape, you can use this version. Or if you know the denominator or diameter of the shape, then you could use this one. Either one's fine. And then volume, if you know the radius, you use this version. If you know the diameter, you use this version. So either one of those is fine. So the first thing we're going to do is find the slant height, because lateral surface area, that's what that S is standing for. It's slant height. And the slant is this height here, which is not the same as the height that they're showing us here. We have to do kind of a plumb line down to the center and over like this. This is the 16.5. And so, and here's your radius, which is halfway across this 12.1. So to find the slant height, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And the legs of the triangle that we're going to do, that slant that we see up on that cone, this side is really like the hypotenuse of a right triangle. As we can see, if we follow this, this is our triangle. And so it doesn't matter which one's A or B, BA, whichever. Those are the legs. So we know that this height is 16.5, and we know that B, which is that bottom radius, is half of 12.1, 6.05. And so now to find what this slant height is, we're going to do a squared plus b squared. So 16.5 squared plus 6.05 squared should give us whatever that slant height was squared. And you can put it all on your calculator at one time, or you can do it step by step using the order of operations. So this is 272, sorry, that's a messy 7, 272.25 plus 36.6025. So that gives us 308.8525. And we want to know the square root of this, because this equals c squared, so we want to know what is just regular c. So we'll take the square root of that number. And we get 17.574199984. Okay, so that's our slant height. So if we're going to do the lateral surface area, we need pi, and we have the diameter. So we're going to do half of pi times the diameter, which is 12.1 of the cone, times 17.574199984. All right, so let's see what we come up with when we multiply that. Times 12.1. And mine comes up as 334.0264115. And it said round to 3 significant digits. Well, just these 3 then would be the significant digits as the answer for that part. So this is the lateral surface area. The volume then, the volume says take 1/3 times pi times the diameter squared, which is 12.1 squared, times the height, the regular height, 16.5. And when you plug that all in, that is 2529 783-192. Sorry about my dog barking.